want to make your deadbolt smart? Well, with this level bolt, you can make your existing deadbolt a smart bolt. It simply goes into the middle of your door locking mechanism and adds app functionality. With this bolt, you can open and close your door and track open and closure by app, card, key, phone, even a keypad. The battery goes right inside of the bolt itself, so it's really easy to access once fully installed, and the rest of it is all connected via Bluetooth. The level system is brilliant. Here it is installed. We actually did go with the level deadbolt as well, but we could have just used this bolt. Here's the key, opening and closing the door, and I can see on my app the history. I can give my pet sitter a special code to get in for the keypad, and I can see who opens and closes my door at any time thanks to this smart bolt. It's truly brilliant, an incredible addition to your smart home. I highly recommend it.